Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Nafiz here and I am back here with another video of my Python series. In this lecture we will see how to use tuples in Python projects. So before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for my future video notifications. So let's get started with today's video. First of all, I'll create a new Python file. I'll name it tuples. So what are the tuples? Tuples and list basically are the same things, but you have less methods in tuples. So how do we define a list? So suppose we have a list of fruits. So we define a list using curly brackets, and inside that we give our data like this. But tuples, we define tuples using our regular brackets, not curly brackets, using our regular bracket. So if we use regular bracket like this, so now this is a tuple. So this is not a list, now this is a tuple. If we use regular bracket instead of curly brackets, we make it tuple. So why? So what is tuple? In tuple, you cannot modify your list. The list will be as it is, you cannot modify it. Say suppose if we want to say suppose append something app, so we don't have any method. So we don't have any method like append or like remove. You can see we don't have any method like append or remove. That means we cannot modify our tuple list. We cannot modify our tuple, but we can modify our list. So we don't have any methods, any usable method for our tuple. We only have count and have index. So these are all advanced, so we don't need those things right now. But we only have count and index for our tuple. We only can count a certain data inside of our tuple. So suppose if we want to count, apples, and if I print count. Okay, so if I want to count apple occurrence in our tuple, we can use count as a variable and fruit.count equal to apple. If you run this, hopefully we'll see 2 in our console. We are seeing 2. So this is how we can use count in our tuple. We have another index, another method. So suppose we want to print a certain elements. So this is basic index. This is called basic indexing. We can print the basic index element of our tuple. So we only have 2 methods for tuple. So why should we need tuples? Because it don't have any functionality. So why do we need tuples? We need tuples because when we are developing software or any website, so at that time we'll have a lot of lines. There are thousands of lines there. So there could be some lines, those are unchangeable lists. Say suppose we have list of some coordinates of places. We don't want those coordinates to be changed in our program, because if we change a single element, it will change the whole place. So it will change the whole coordinate. So in at those time we need to have fixed data. So that time we can use tuples, because we don't want to change our data. So tuples are so important because most of the time when we are working with softwares, a lot of data, there might be some data we didn't want to change anywhere in our software, anywhere in our code. So that at that time we can use tuples. If we use a list, we might have accidentally changed some data of that particular program. So that is not acceptable. So we can use tuples at those time. So this is all the functionalities and the use of tuples. So I hope you understand today's lecture. This was all for today. I'll be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.